I think it's safe to say I went shopping. All right, you guys, now before we jump into today's Dollar Tree haul, I want to take a minute to share something with you that I've actually been having a lot of fun with lately. Now, all of you know that I'm always looking for little ways to stretch a dollar, to save money, and to make a little extra on the side, and that's exactly what caught my attention about today's sponsor, Copper Rewards. Y'all, Copper Rewards is so much fun. Now, what's really cool is that when you download the app and you start playing your first game, you can earn $10 right away. And when I say start your first game, I actually mean like open it up and begin playing. You just don't want to download it and forget about it. That's not what this app is. That playing the games is actually what's going to unlock the app and really get everything rolling for you. So I'm going to show you how it works right here on screen. So when you are opening Copper Rewards, you are going to see a variety of games available to you. So you're simply going to just pick the one that looks interesting to you. You're going to download it and you're going to start playing. So as you play, you can actually watch your earnings building inside of the app, which I think is pretty satisfying in itself. It's going to track everything for you so you can see all of your progress in real time. Now, for me, this is the kind of thing that's perfect for when I'm waiting for maybe paint to dry from a DIY project. Maybe I'm sitting in the doctor's office. I've been going to the dentist a lot lately. Winding down for the evening or just have some spare time during my day. Copper Rewards is my go-to app. Now, gaming is definitely the primary way to earn, but that's not the only option. There's also an offers section where you can compete or complete different activities for additional rewards. Now, if you are someone who enjoys maximizing your opportunities, those can really add up over time. And yes, there's even a receipt feature that lets you earn a little extra from purchases you're already making. Now, that's definitely not the main attraction, but it is a nice bonus that can help boost your overall earnings. And if you go to Dollar Tree like I do, you know what that's all about. Now, what I like most about Copper Rewards is that it gives you multiple ways to earn in your spare time, all from your phone. So start with your first game. Unlock the app, earn your $10, and then decide how much more you want to use it from there. It's totally up to you. Now, if you'd like to check it out for yourself, I've got a link in the description box below. Just a reminder, the key step is going to be starting your first game after you download the app. So everything gets unlocked and you can claim that $10. That is $10 that you can spend. So let's talk about spending here. And I'm going to show you everything that I got from Dollar Tree today because this was a really nice haul, I have to say. This was probably one of my favorites lately. And you know, it's been a little rough at Dollar Tree these days. So I'm getting ready to go on a trip. I'm going to be going to Chicago, and I found these amazing packing cubes. These are, they're called storage cubes, but they're a really good size. They're actually about 13 and a half inches by 11 inches. So I wear a size 12 shoe. I was thinking if I wanted to just use these for shoes alone, that would be fantastic. But they do have these kind of clips across them, and they are going to help kind of compress anything that you might pack. So I'm going to definitely have those in my suitcase and have them as an available option. Now, the other thing that I saw that I thought was so cool, they have these gallery art prints, and there were a couple different types that you can pick up while you're at Dollar Tree, and I'll show you a couple different ones. But what's so great about them is that there are 3 8x10 kind of art pieces here, and I know there's a little bit of a glare, so I'm going to try and kind of rock it back and forth so you can see, but these are kind of botanical prints, and they're 8x10 size. So then all you have to do is buy an 8x10 frame, and you've got instant art, and you've got an instant set. And so I did buy 3 pieces because I am going to be revamping kind of my office soon, and I thought that this could be great. I love the gold frame. I may put some rub and buff on here to kind of dull the frames up just a little bit, but for $1.50, I think those were, and then the frames, such a good deal for what? $3, $6, $9? I made such an amazing purchase there. This was another thing that I grabbed. There are some summer kind of 4th of July-ish stuff. I went ahead and got some that I can just use kind of all summer long. I got this wind sock that I thought would be really nice to kind of complement my flag that I do have outside of my house as well. And I may even put this off of the deck. I'll play around with that, but it's kind of a wind sock, so that will be cool. And then I just wanted a fun tumbler to kind of be drinking some of my water out of. It's funny because I have another tumbler in here as well. But I just love this one. I love, of course, blue. If you guys know me, you know I love the color blue. And I thought that would be fun, even if I just had a patriotic water bottle for the second there. I did also grab some travel essentials, and I'll just kind of show you some of those. I grabbed this 2-pack of water bottles. I love this one with the sprayer because I will put water in this when I'm in the hotel room and kind of use that. I don't usually typically like spray starch. I have very sensitive skin for detergents and things. So if I use a spray starch, I tend to get irritated. So I just use water, something that's really great. And then I can put, moisturizer or whatever in that. So that's cool. I'm going to have 2 piles. Well, I'll just put it all over here. The other thing that I did grab is some Crest toothpaste. Again, just a good travel size to have. I also did grab this one. I saw this Hello brand, and it was anti-plaque and whitening, fluoride-free toothpaste. It does something. It crushes tartar is what it says. So I did grab that as well. I've actually heard really good reviews about that. I need some highlighters. I'm not traveling with these, but I did get them. Of course, I'm going to grab socks. Anytime I'm out and I see a cool pair of socks, I'm going to grab those. I just kind of love that kind of nautical feel to those. I think those are supposed to be birds, and this is like the waves and the oceans. I love this brand, Crazy Socks. They did have a couple different ones, but I'm trying to keep it a little more neutral these days with the socks. I don't know why, but I am. The other thing that I did grab, I have a travel size toothbrush. This is for my kind of overnight bag when I am staying over at the boyfriend's house. I just need something so I don't have to carry my big Oral-B toothbrush with me. I grabbed some masking tape because I'm in desperate need of masking tape for the craft room. So I did that. I grabbed, apparently I'm very sensitive to the teeth right now, and I'm buying lots of toothpaste. I also grabbed some whitening, Colgate, but I'm going to put this in the travel bag for going over to the boyfriend's house. So that I'm excited about. Wall patches. Never seen these before. These are adhesive wall patches, and they kind of have like a mesh to them. And what is nice about this is that if you do have a hole, the adhesive back is going to keep the screen up there, and then you're going to be able to kind of apply whatever the stuff to fill the holes with. So I grabbed a couple of those because I feel like I'm always got a hole in something, maybe even a hole in my head. This is a light. It's a table light. I just want to kind of try it outside, honestly. It is not solar. It does take batteries. I did get some batteries, but I forgot to put batteries in it before showing it to you guys. This also was $3, by the way. This was not the typical kind of Dollar Tree find, but I thought it could be cool. And if it's something that's on the front porch, I just kind of want to have a light out there for like, honestly, for overnight kind of stuff. What else did I get? Oh, I did buy some batteries because that takes some batteries. And people hate on the Dollar Tree batteries, but I've always had good luck with them. So, do you? This is the other water bottle that I got. This is a motivational water bottle. I did have one of these before, but I unfortunately left it on the train. So I take the train into work every day. So I did want to buy another one of these. And what I like about this is they call it a motivational water bottle because it'll hold up to 64 ounces. I know that's really hard to see. But what's nice about it too is that it gives you kind of your starting point. So it says at the top here, 7 a.m. good morning. So the idea is you fill it up, and then by 7 a.m. you drink it to this point. By 9 a.m. you drink it to this point. 11 a.m. to here, 1 p.m. to here, 3 p.m., etc., etc. And so I am on a semi-glutide, and I've been losing weight, as you guys have know. I think this is probably the first time I've told anybody that I'm doing that, but I'm doing it. And water is something that is super, super important to get in. So this is going to be a great thing for me. And it's got the great handle. It's super easy to drop in. This actually is, I grew up on this Saratoga water. I am from upstate New York, Saratoga area. And this Saratoga Vichy water is what my dad always called it. I don't know why it was called Vichy water, but that's what they called it anyway growing up, and it's kind of nice to see it now as a recognized brand. And I just wanted some sparkling water, so I'm going to have that tonight while I am just kind of watching some TV. This is also something that I saw that I thought was pretty cool. At first I thought it was like an ice cube tray, and I got really excited for the square old fashions, but this is harder plastic. It is a snack portable snack box. And what's nice about this is that it does come with a lid. I think it's it's actually a 2-pack. I just realized that. So it's a 2-pack. Cool, that's a bonus. But you can put all your snacks in there, and then it's got a lid that just kind of pops down on top of it. You've got easy peasy, great for snacks. This is about probably what I would have for lunch. I could put some protein and different things in there, so it's kind of perfect. More water. Obviously, I'm very thirsty. How cute are these? There's so many fun dishes right now and so much fun summer stuff. My stores have been a little slow in putting them out, but I saw this one for watermelons and thought it was just adorable. And then I really loved the pattern on this. I kind of loved how chill this one was with the crabs. And again, just something to have a nice cold refreshing drink in. Again, something super portable, very, very easy for me to carry on the train if I need to. And these I thought would just be fun because they are Lego, or the Dollar Tree version of Legos, the Make It blocks. These are designed for holding your excess kind of Lego pieces, or the, what's it called, the Make It block pieces. But this is also the perfect size to fit into my dresser drawer. My top dresser drawers are kind of thin, and they're probably about this wide, and I can put that's kind of where I keep like jewelry, watches, and stuff like that. And so this is the perfect size. I've already went in the bedroom and kind of measured it. So all I'm going to do is just keep the lid off of them, maybe even put the lid underneath just in case I end up needing it for something else. But they only had these 2 left, so I got one in blue, one in red. I guess I could swap the tops if I really, really wanted to. But again, something that's just great for keeping some things organized. More so, I needed it for like bracelets and stuff. I've got a watch box and ring boxes and stuff like that. But you know, gotta keep all that jewelry, all those diamonds and things I'm hoping for, organized. And then this again was something that I thought could possibly be fun. It's a Starry Night Globe light. It does take the AAA batteries, so that's why I grabbed so many of the AAA batteries. But again, with this rainbow light, this could be something that's really fun just on the deck outside when you've got people over. It could be something that works really well on the front porch as well. Some of these I've had at Christmas time, and they do put off a decent amount of light. The batteries tend to run down really, really quickly in them, so you know, we'll kind of see. This last item is something I was very excited about. There's actually a couple different colors, but look how beautiful this bowl is. First of all, it's kind of this fluted, you can kind of see how it looks. Look how pretty that is. It's really, really big. Like, this is my head, so you can kind of see I do have a pretty big head. But I mean, it's a really good size, and I thought this could be perfect for like summer pasta salads. If you know, making obviously a lot of pasta salad, it's perfect for that. It could be great for a green salad. But I was also thinking at first, because I was like, wow, this is really big, maybe I don't need anything quite this big. what if you put a bunch of like bottled waters and things like that in it and put ice in it and just used it as something for your buffet, like on your front porch? I am absolutely dying to get my deck redone in the back, and it's expensive. And I'm dreaming of having a great credenza out there and an entertainment space and an outdoor dining area, and having things like this would be a nice complement. So I'm gonna spend my money on all these and then use Copper Rewards, today's sponsor, to hopefully build up that bank. Definitely check them out. There's a link again in the description box. And I'm excited about everything. I'm getting kind of recharged about Dollar Tree, and I think this is probably one of my favorites, and then definitely that art set as well. So lots of really cool stuff. All right, guys, until next time, I will chat with you later, and looking forward to bringing you more stuff very, very soon. All right, guys, until next time, bye-bye.